Dongguan Axis Star Electronic Company Limited is a professional manufacturer for cable assembly, wire harness, printed circuit board assembly, and some box build products in China. It was established in 2003, already had 16 years production experience for above electronic products. We are located in beautiful electronic base, Dongguan, Guangdong Province, China, which takes 5,000 square meters. In order to meet good quality requirement, Axis Start get ISO 9001 2015 certificate and 14001 certificate. With good quality and honest service, 95% of our products are exported to North American, South American, European, Australian, and some Asian countries. Only 5% of products are shipped to domestic market. Our customers group is very vast. Axis Star not only produce the electronic assembly product, but also be good at the integration of electronic parts and mechanical parts, such as casting parts, plastic parts, machining parts. Our purpose is to combine mechanicals and electronics. Then we will provide one-stop solution for our customers. Besides, we can offer ODM service at the same time because we have professional engineer team with long-term working experience and professional knowledge. Our final mission is to serve our customer based on good quality products, on-time delivery, competitive price, and best consulting. The operation concept of our company is customer-oriented by flexible activity, specialty, and innovation for core competence, good faith value to reach everlasting operation